Okay, class. Good afternoon. Continuing this one, especially for the skill 4 past participle. Ya. After the previous one, we have studied about present participle yang dengan bentuknya verb im. Sekarang past participle. Mungkin kalian dengar dengan bahasa verb 3 gitu ya. Nah, past participle can cause confusion too, same as present participle. Kenapa? It can be either adjective or part of verbs. Konsepnya hampir sama, tapi bentuknya yang berbeda. And the past participle is the form of the appears, have, or be. Ketika itu dianggap sebagai kata kerja dan muncul have sama be, dan itu dianggap sebagai kata kerja. Ya, jadi kalau ada verb 3 tambahan have atau be, jangan pernah dianggap sebagai past participle, tapi dianggap sebagai kata kerja. Contoh, the mailman has left a letter in the mailbox. Were taught by Professor Smith. Ini adalah kerja karena ada verb 3 didahului or accompanied by has, were, have, is, ya, can be is ya, or can be are ya. So to be and have ya, have or has. What about had? Okay, can be. Now let's go to this present participle. Past participle is an adjective when it is not accompanied by some of be or have. Ingat ya, teman. Dia berdiri sendiri verb 3. The letter left in the mailbox was for me. If you found verb here and then you found verb 3 left, consider left here, anggap left ini sebagai adjective. Contoh lagi, class taught by Professor Smith were. Aduh, ketemu kata kerja were di sini ya. So, the class is taught ini jangan dianggap sebagai kata kerja. Ini verb 2 bisa, Pak? Iya, tapi ini bukan verb 2. Kalau ini kamu anggap sebagai verb 2, ini ada 2 kata kerja, ada taught sama were. Dan saya yakin penulis menuliskannya ini menganggapnya sebagai taught-nya sebagai verb 3, kan sebagai nya. Oke, let's go to analysis. Ada kata smell. Anda mau mencari kata kerja? Ya. Mana jawabannya? You can go this one, just. If you have has, double verb. If you have was, double verb. If you have it, double subject. Ada the berat subjeknya. So the right one is double. Okay. Oh ya, understood ya? Continue again. Let's go to the keyword here. Past participle. Past participle often end ed karena regular verb ya. Seringnya adalah di akhir ed. But there are also many irregular past participle. For many verbs, including ed verbs, the simple past and past participle are the same ya, and can be easily confused. The ed form of the subverb can be simple past or can be past participle of the verb. Ya, atau yang ketiga bisa jadi adjektif. Tinggal nanti kita bisa melihat analisa atau penyesuaian. Contoh kalau ada kalimat simple past-nya berarti I go, ya, I went, itu simple past. Tapi kalau past participle berarti apa? Ya, past participle of verb, ya. Of verb berarti dia sebagai kata kerja. Contohnya I have gone, I have gone, ya kan? Atau the food eaten by, ini sebagai adjektif, the food eaten by the cat, the food eaten by the cat, saya menempatkan to be apa have nggak sebelum eaten? Tidak kan? The food eaten by the cat, the food eaten by the cat is delicious. So it can be adjective, right? The eaten one. Now let's go to the exercise. This the food is served in the restaurant is delicious. This word is incorrect. Remember, kita nggak boleh meletakkan double verb atau double subject in your sentences. So when you analyze this one, you can find this one. Ada is again. So this is serve, verb. And the plane landed on the deserted runway. Landed on the deserted runway. Remember, keyword this one. Ada the, ada noun, ada runway, ada the yang ada di sini. Menandakan apa? Ini menyisip. Deserted runway. Ya. Correct ya, karena subjek verb sudah sesuai. Number 3. The unexpected guest arrived just at the dinner time. The unexpected. Konsep sama. The unexpected guest. arrive sebagai kata kerja. Berarti unexpected ini jangan dianggap sebagai verb atau present participle, past participle of verb. Mana verbnya? Orang verbnya arrive just at dinner. The number 3 is correct. Ini adjektif. Adjektifnya sebagai adjektif. Number 4, the courses are listed in the catalog are required courses. Are listed in the catalog are required. Are listed, ada lagi are required. Ini yang mana yang dia inginkan gitu kan? Ada the courses-nya, ada are listed, are required. Berarti apa? Di sini udah diinformasikan apa? Listed ini salah satu harus dibuang. Mana? Kan dengan maknanya. Ya. Pokoknya kalimat ini dianggap salah karena double verb. Yang kelima, jelas ya. After that you can try for exercise 6, 7, 8, 9, and also 10. Number 5, the teacher found the lost exam. The teacher found the lost exam. The teacher as a subject, found-nya sebagai verb. Nah, konsep almost same, right? The ada lost the exam. Berarti lost-nya ini jangan dianggap sebagai kata kerja, tapi ini adalah adjective, past participle. Okay, it's time for you to finish the exercise 6, number 6, number 7, 8, 9, 10. After you have done, you can go to the exercise skill 3, 7, 3, 4. Yeah. There are around 10 questions over there, so you can share your answers, or you can inform, because of we are going to find the correct one, and then we can discuss later. And then also you can exercise this one, but I'd like to help you to get this one, and I try to have this exercise number 1 and 2 only, right? Especially for 3 to 4. Number 1, our hosts are serving drinks on the tiled patio. Tiled patio. This is past participle adjective. Do not consider as verb. We have verb, this one, are serving. Our hosts are serving drinks on the tiled patio. Correct. There will be subject, there will be verb. Number 2, the tired woman taking a much needed nap. The tired woman taking a nap. A much needed nap nih, ada paket. A much needed nap, berarti needed ini bukan kata kerja. Dia menjelaskan nap sini. Sama kayak the tiled patio, this is not verb. Karena explain to the patio here. And then the tired woman taking a much ya. The tired woman taking much. The woman taking, of course. Where's the verb? We cannot find taking. Kalau tidak ketemukan to be, berarti tidak boleh dianggap kata kerja. Berarti kalimat ini kekurangan kata kerja. Clear ya? Oke, berarti number 1 correct, number 2 incorrect. Now let's go to analyze this one. 3, 4. The first appears during the last period of dinosaurs' reign. Ada the first appeared during the last period of. Ya, kalimat ini butuh apa? Flowers are plant. Plants have flowers. The first plants have flowers appear during apa? The first plant flowers appear during the last period of the dinosaurs' reign. So what's the right answer? Okay, time for you to get this one. Okay, the right one is this one. The first flowering plants, the first flowering plants, the first flowering plants appear during the last period of dinosaurs' reign. That is the right one. Okay, analisanya udah dong. Now let's go for number 2. The earliest medicine, blah blah blah, from plants of various sorts. Obtaining, they obtain, were obtained, they were obtained. What's the first question here? Number 2. Kurangnya apa? Yeah, to complete these sentences. The earliest medicines, the earliest medicines were obtained from plants of various. Jadi earliest medicine were obtained from plants. Kalau obtaining nggak ketemu kata kerja. They obtain ada double subject. They were obtained nanti udah ada tambahkan day lagi, yang harus were obtained saja. Now let's go to this one. There will be a lot of exercise again for you to improve your skill here. And then skill 1 to 4, choose the letter of the words of group and the best complete the sentence. This first settled the Hawaiian, and then I think I do not need to help you. I need you to finish this exercise. Thank you very much. Please share your answers, and then we can discuss. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Make sure to pay attention and repeat more and more to get your correct one.